Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. My name is Scott Barnes and welcome back to the show. And in today's video, I'm feeling ballsy. Stupid, but ballsy. That's right, the guys over at Ballsy from Ballwash.com sent me a care package, some fun stuff to try out on the jewels below. Woo! I feel like sometimes I'm the only YouTuber, but I'm probably just in my own world that does these kinds of videos that focuses on the downstairs, I can't say that on this one, but definitely the care of our downstairs area, because I think that's a very important topic to cover, because within these days that we're in with Instagram and the modeling and everything going on, it's nice to keep everything nice and clean down in the area. So Ballsy contacted me for Ballwash.com. They gave me their sack package, which includes 3 different things to adhere to your junk, your jewels, the nuts, everything that we can say without YouTube being red flagging us. Thank you, YouTube. Now with the times, packaging is key, and Ballsy does not cut us short. As we open it up, we've got a nice thing is that we've got your sack, we've got a Ballwash, a nut rug, and a sack spray, which is fun that we can all say this without, like I said, YouTube being red flagging us. So we've got a Ballwash, which is interesting to me. It's a charcoal activated body wash. We've got a spray, which is gonna kind of be a cologne that's gonna keep us out for the day. And then we've got a nut rub, which is a solid cologne. I don't know, it's gonna be more of a paste or a gel that's gonna stay under there and keep us nice and cool. Woo! Now for you handle guys, make sure you're gonna go to ballsy.com, hashtag them at liveballs_out, and hit them up on Instagram at ballwash. Check them out, see what they got. This one's gonna be a $40 package right here. I believe it is off from $45. And make sure to check out the link description below. Maybe I'll give you guys a little promo or discount code. We'll see. Now, as we experiment in this video, we're gonna be using an egg for our demonstration. And first up on the product list is gonna be the Ballwash, and this is the one that's gonna be for the nuts, the butt, and the body. So it's gonna be for everything. Long story short, it's a body wash, and it's got activated charcoal. And let's see what we got for consistency-wise. Oh, it's pretty thick. Yeah, I know you guys like this. I know you guys like this. And it's kinda, yeah, it is, yeah, we got it. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh. Now, one thing I did not mention is that Ballsy loves the tree, the extracts. And for this one, we've got activated charcoal, obviously. We've got aloe vera, cucumber peel extract, cedarwood oil, and lavender oil. And together, this makes a great body wash. It hits all the notes. A little floral, but obviously it's from the trees and the plants. But they are a big tree hugging company. So once again, that's one thing that you can support on it. And this is a great body wash. The charcoal is a new thing that's coming around. We've got it for the toothpaste, we've got it for the body wash now. It's a great additive, and like I said, with the cucumber, the olive oil, the cedarwood, this is a great body wash to add to the toolbox. Now the next one on the list is gonna be the Sac Spray, and this one gets me rolling because this is like your in-between, when you're running around, you're hot and sweaty, and you need yourself a little refresher. The Sac Spray, it's pretty good. We've got a good mist, it's a pH balance. It's a more of a floral, smell. It's a good refresher, and it's gonna help cool you downstairs. You get yourself a good, let's see what we got here, 2-ounce bottle. Should last you about a month, 2 months, depending on if you're using it every day. And remember, a good way to use it is we're gonna take our jewels, we're gonna give 1-2 sprays, we're gonna give it just a little bit of a rub or a little bit of a jingle jangle, and then you should be good to go. If you got a hair dryer or a fan next to you, that's gonna make everything a little bit better too. But for a spray, the Sac Spray is the way to go. Now the third thing that's gonna be in the sack pack is gonna be the nut rub. I have no idea how I'm gonna get through this with YouTube, getting with all these terms, but yeah, this is gonna be fun. Now the one gripe that I got with the nut rub, it was really tough to get the top open. I had to use a little screwdriver. Hey, packaging, kudos to you down there for making it secure. But the consistency for this is gonna be a solid cologne, and I wanna say this is when everything's washed up, and you're wanting to get out, and you're wanting to get all fresh and proper. Woo, that's got some fragrance to it. So we'll bring the egg out, we'll put the cologne on it, and that's pretty much what it is. It's just a solid cologne that's gonna stay with your jewels, your nuts, your bad boys for the rest of the day. And for me, this isn't my cup of tea, but for you guys out there, if you guys want some cologne on your nuts, sometimes there's this, I don't know, residue that I feel. But for a cologne, for the 3 in the sack pack, that's what you get. You get a body wash, you get a spray, and then you get a cologne. So that way you've got a diversity of products to use throughout the month. And that's the one thing that I do like about this pack is that it's gonna last you a while. I don't wanna spend 30, 40 bucks on something that's I'm gonna blow through within a few weeks. So this gives you a longevity, and it gives you some time to look through what other kinds that you might want at Ballwash ballwash.com or Ballsy. Stupid, but ballsy. Now the fourth and final one is gonna be the Liquid Guard. This one's my favorite. I've used other products like this before, and the reason why this is my favorite is because in the beginning of the day, this is just a nice start in the game when it comes to the heat. Like me, as I'm working out, as I go throughout the day, this is like a preventative for me to keep everything nice and dry downstairs. And to apply it, we're gonna put about maybe a dime-sized amount. We're gonna use our handy dandy egg, for an example. We're gonna rub it in, and then we wanna wait about 30 seconds. We wanna get a hair dryer, or we wanna get like a little duck fan, a fan, whatever you wanna use. And we're just gonna open her up, and we're just gonna let it dry. And it's honestly like putting a talc powder under your jewels, under your nuts, whatever you wanna call it. And it's gonna actually dry up, and it's gonna keep everything dry throughout the day. Now, this is a nice game changer for you guys out there that sweat a lot, like myself. You know, going through the activities for today, we got work, you know, we go to the gym afterwards, and this is a preventative for me throughout the day. That way by 5 o'clock, at least I'm not smelling like a Neanderthal. And this is a great way to show confidence as we're going out to social environments, we're hanging out with significant others. We wanna feel secure and, like I said, confident that we are going to smell and look good. And this is gonna be all in our repertoire of things to do, because we want a full toolbox. We want to have everything available for us. If that's razors, if it's lotions, if it's sprays, if it's colognes, anything that's going to help us out, improve our look and our smell. Now, another thing to mention, which I thought was really cool, is I went to the store the other day and I found actually a Ballsy section in a retail store. And to me, that shows me that they have made it. For a company to go just web-based, but it's nice to have a physical product to touch. So if you do have some local markets out there, try to keep an eye out for Ballsy, ballwash.com. And there was a little clip right there for you. They had some different products there, different things to check out. So that's one thing that I do like. They have a retail presence, not just an online presence. And one last thing to mention is that Ballsy is made in America. You get a 30-day money-back guarantee of any of their products. They're cruelty-free and they're sulfate and paraben-free. So overall, a great company to support, and that's what I do like. You know, someone that's transparent, they've got a good product, they've got a great Instagram. So go check them out. I'll put everything down in the description below. And like always, you guys, like, subscribe, check me out, all that social media. Love you guys like always, and I will see you on the flip side. See ya!